This tutorial is on how to import rationalize rate and push to post contract. First, log in to BuildSpace Pro. Click at the BuildSpace logo. Go to Tendering. Access to project to import rationalize rate. Click Compare rationalize rate. Then click Import rationalize rate. Select EBQ file. Select the Receive rationalize rate file. To do the comparison, click any bill up to the item level. Once you have done your analysis, back to tendering. To push the project to post contract, click Push to post contract. Go to Publish. Select Use rationalize rate. Then click With or Without Not Listed Item. Next, to fill in the contract information. All items with asterisks are compulsory to be filled. Then click Save. Since the project is already at the post-contract stage, click at the BuildSpace logo and click Post-Contract. Double-click the project. At the post-contract stage, you can update the project work done. To update, go to Claim Certificate. Click Activate Claim Certificate. Next, to fill in the claim cert information. Then click Save. Now the claim cert is in progress. To proceed, back to Project Breakdown. To update work done, click any of the bill. Here you can rename the description. Double-click to view element. You can update work done at element level. Or to update by item, double-click the element. You can update claim by percentage. Quantity. Or amount. Once you finalize with the updates, back to Project Breakdown. Click Reload to view the latest update. To add variation order, double-click Variation Order. Next, to key in the VO title. Double-click to prepare the VO items. Key in the item description. Select unit. You can key in the budget for reference. Next to key in the real amount. If you have items to omit from the BQ, click Omit from BQ. Then select items from the BQ. Tick at the checkbox for the selected items and click Import. If there are changes of the quantity, you can amend it at the quantity column. Back to variation order. To add attachments for this VO, click Upload. Once finalize, change the status from pending to approve. Back to project breakdown. Click Reload to update the summary. To update VO claims, double-click variation order. Double-click the VO. Click Claim Revision. Click Add New Claim. You need to activate Claim Certificate in order to update progress. Back to variation order. Double-click the VO. To update progress, key in progress at the percentage, quantity or amount column. Once finalize with the updates, back to claim revision. Change the status from in progress to locked. Once locked, it will show that this claim is bind to claim cert number 1. Back to project breakdown. Click Reload. Omitted items from VO will indicate at the project bill. For advance payment, double-click Advance Payment. Key in the advance payment title. Set the priority. You can select normal or high. Double-click to prepare the item list. Key in the description. Set the unit for this item. Next to key in the quantity and rate. Repeat the same steps to add more items. Back to advance payment. If you have attachments, click Upload. Once finalize, change the status from Preparing to Approve. Back to Project Breakdown. Click Reload. To update paybacks or claims, double-click Advance Payment. Double-click the item. Click Claim Revision. Click Add New Claim. Back to advance payment. Next, key in the percentage of claim. Back to Claim Revision. Change the status from In Progress to Locked. Back to Project Breakdown. Click Reload. Next, to update material on site, double-click. Key in the material on site title. Double-click to prepare the item list. Key in the description. Set the unit for this item. Next, to key in the quantity and rate. If the material on site have a reduction, key in the percentage. To add more items, repeat the same steps. Back to material on site. Next, to change the status from Preparing to Approve. To update advance payment payback, double-click Advance Payment. Double-click to view items. Click Claim Revision. Click Add New Claim. Back to material on site. Next, key in the percentage of claim. Back to Claim Revision. Change the status from in progress to locked. Back to project breakdown. Click Reload. Once you finalize with all claims, back to Claim Certificate. To preview all claims, click Claim Cert Print Info. Click Print. Here you can view the summary of cert for all claims that have been made. This includes the VO work done, advance payment and material on site. Back to BuildSpace Pro tab. You can keep on updating other claims before approving this certificate.